Hello everyone. In this demo I'm going to show you how to use VI editor. The VI editor is the most popular text editor in the Linux distributions. VI considers the #1 choice for the most Linux sysadmins. There is an advanced version of the VI editor and it's called VIM, VIM, and it's the short for the VI improved. The VI or VIM is a user-friendly and it's available in most Linux distributions, and it works the same among Linux distributions. Just in case if I don't have the VI improved or the VIM version on my system, I can install it by running this command yum install then VIM. If I would like to open up a file in VIM or VI, I just type the command VIM, for example, then file1.txt, hit enter. As you can see here, this is the VIM environment or editor. Now if I would like to type any word, it will not do anything because the VI editor or the VIM has two different working modes. It has the command mode and the insert mode. When first I open the VI editor, it opens the command mode. This is the command mode right now. So in the command mode, I can only do just moving the cursor, scroll down between pages. I can delete characters, words, lines. I can copy, cutting and pasting, searching and replacing, and saving. I can save also my changes after I do any change in this text file. The insert mode, this is the second type. We only can insert text into the file. When I would like to switch between the modes, for example, from right now I would like to switch from the command mode to the insert mode, I hit the lowercase I. As we can see over here, it's insert because I pressed the key I, so the lowercase I, in order to add and insert text. For example, I'm going to add here VIM is the VI improved version. If I would like to, for example, add another here, say welcome to Red Hat and CentOS. Now if I would like to switch back from the insert mode to the command mode, so I can type what? The escape key. If I type the escape, just notice here down. So right now I switch back from the insert mode to the command mode. Now let's explain some of the commands that we can use in the VIM editor here. I just already explained that if I would like to switch to the insert mode, I just type lowercase I, just I. Then I can search any text file here. Maybe you can say hello world and welcome to VIM editor. I hit escape in order to switch back to the command mode now. I can move the cursor. Now if I would like to insert after the cursor, so let's move the cursor here, and I would like to insert after, I can type the lowercase a, then I can insert anything here, VIM and VI, for example. I hit escape to go back to the command mode. Now if I would like to insert at the end of the line, so I'm going to hit the uppercase A. So uppercase A, as we can see over here. So the cursor moved to the end, and right now we change from the command mode to the insert mode. If I would like I'm going to hit escape key in order to go back to the command mode. Now if I would like to insert a new line, so I'm going to type or hit the lowercase o. As you can see here, right now we insert a new line. I'm going to hit the escape button in order to go back to the command mode. Now if I would like to move the cursor to the end of the line, I'm going to here. Now I'm going to move to the end of the line. I'm going to type the $sign. Now if I would like to move the cursor to the beginning of the line, so there is this command. Let me show it to you here. This one, the curse, this one. So just type it. I'm going to go back right now to the command mode. Just I'm going to type that. So it moved me to the beginning of the line right now. If I would like to jump to the end of the file, so I'm going to type uppercase G. So as you can see, we jump to the end of the file. Now if I would like to jump to the beginning of the file, so it's going to type lowercase gg, so gg, double g, so gg. So I move the cursor to the beginning of the file. If I would like to delete or cut a character at the cursor position, so I'm going to type X, as you can see here. Right now I deleted or cut the character there. Now if I would like to delete the current word, I'm going to type the DW. If I would like to delete 3 words starting from the cursor position, so I'm going to type 3DW. I'm going to do it again, so 3DW. So as we can see here, we have deleted 3 words starting at the cursor position. Now if I would like to delete the entire line, so I'm going to type DD, or lowercase dd. If I would like to delete 3 lines starting from the cursor, I'm going to type 3dd. So I just deleted 3 lines right now. If I would like to copy the word at the cursor, so I'm going to type YW. Now if I would like to copy 3 words starting the cursors, so the cursor position, I'm going to type 3 then YW, 3YW. If I would like to copy 3 lines starting at the cursor position, so I'm going to type 3 then lowercase yy, 3yy. Now if I would like to undo the last change, so I'm going to type the lowercase u, as you can see here. If I would like to paste at the current cursor, so I'm going to move the cursor here, I'm going to type the lowercase p. So as we can see here, we have to paste it after the cursor position. Now if I would like to set line numbers in the text, so I'm going to type colon, then I'm going to type, you can see here down, so after I hit colon, I'm going to type colon, then set number. I hit enter. As we can see here right now, we have showed line numbers in the text file. Now if I would like to move the cursor to a specific number, so I'm going to type colon, then I would like to move to line 7, for example. Hit enter. As you can see here, we have moved the cursor to line 7. If I would like to search for a word, so I'm going to type the forward slash, like that, the forward slash. Then I would like to search, for example, for the word red. Hit enter. As we can see here right now, this is the word that we have searched. Now if I would like to replace the first matching word in the line, for example, okay, let's do an example here. Before that, I would like to add here, maybe at the beginning of the file here, I'm going to type send to, no, maybe I'm going just to type red, yeah, like that. And the same thing here, red, and I'm going also to do it here, red. Then I'm going to switch back right now to the command mode. Now I would like to replace the first matching word in the line to the word, so I'm going to type colon, then the percentage s, then slash red. So I'm going to search for this word, and I'm going to change it to uppercase red. I'm going to hit enter. We will notice that it will just change the first word that is matching in the line, so it's gonna ignore the second one, as you can see over here. Now if I would like to replace all the instance, I would like to replace everything, so I'm going to type U in order to undo the last change. Now I would like to replace everything, so I'm going to type colon, then percentage s, then slash red, slash, then I'm going to replace it to red hat, like that. I hit, then after that slash G. G is like the short for global, for everything. I hit enter now. As you can see right now, we have changed the word from red to red hat, as we can see here on the screen. Right now, if I would like to save the file after I changed writing and modifying my text file, so I'm going to type colon W, or there is another one, colon X. And even if I would like to use after that the exclamation mark, it means that save and force the save. So we can use both, either X or W, so I can hit enter. Then I'm going to open the file again. As you can see here, we already have saved the file, and we open it again. Now if I would like to quit, let me do a change here. So I'm going to switch from the command mode to the insert mode. I'm going to type here hello world and welcome to rel 8. Okay, now I'm going to hit the skip button in order to go back to the command mode. Now I would like to quit without saving, so I'm going to type colon, then Q. It's not going to save the last line. Hit enter. So it said no writing since the last change over. Said hit. Sometimes you need to do the force like that if it's gonna give you a message. So hit enter. We have quitted the VI editor, so I'm going back again. As we can see over here, we didn't save the last line that we have wrote over there. Now if I would like to save then quit, so I'm going to type the command colon WQ. So it's going to save, quit, and I also can use the exclamation mark in order to force it. Hit enter, and we have saved and exit or quit the VIM editor. That's conclude our session. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.